This is our FSA 57 on the Stihl's AK range of strimmers. If you have one of these and the strimmer line has ran out or you want to replace the strimmer heads, I'm just going to show you how to do that just now. When you purchase your FSA 57, you'll get one of these handy little tools here. This is for removing and replacing the head. So just locate the hole at the side of the heads here, insert the little tool and spin the head anti-clockwise to remove it. So that should come off nice and easily, and that's the head completely removed. So if your head has ran out of line, this is a good opportunity once you've got it off to replace it. So I'm just using the tool again to click these little lugs out on the white part of the head. That takes your cap off. Then you can easily remove the spool inside. You can buy a replacement spool and then just pop your replacement back in. So just line up the lugs with the wire. There we go. Line up your head. Pop your tool in the hole again to secure the head and then screw it on clockwise till it's tight. Then that's you ready to go again.